Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can get voice chat or enable the voice chat on Roblox games. I hope so. Let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Roblox game. So after opening the Roblox game, you land on this page, home page. Then you have to click on this more option, three dot button. After that you have to scroll a little bit and click on settings option here. Then you have to click on account info. Please guys, make sure watch the full video and follow the steps that I'm going to show you, and this is super important for your voice chat. To get this, make sure you have added your phone number and verify it, and you have added your email address and verify it. If you are not, I am going to guide you through. You have to put your phone number here and they will send a OTP on your phone number. Then you have to put it here and your phone number will be verified. Same as like this, you have to put your email address here and they will send a OTP on email address. After you putting the OTP here, your email address will be verified. Then the main option here, the ID card, the ID card verifying. You have to make sure you are above 13 years old to get the voice chat feature on Roblox. So if you are above 13 years old and you have a national ID or driving license like this, you have to put it here, scan here. They will guide you through how you can verify it. You can capture the photo of ID card, otherwise you can put it manually. So after verifying your ID card here, you have to scroll down and you have to click on save to make sure everything is saved, just like this. Then you have to go back and you have to click on privacy option here. So after clicking on privacy, you have to scroll a little bit and you will find a new option called microphone and camera input. So after getting this option on, these two button will be disabled. So to get the voice chat, you have to click on this option. To enable the button, you have to click on enable. Then your voice chat will be activated. And if you want Roblox to animate your video or animate your face in the meantime, you can turn it on the camera option feature. So this is how you can get voice chat or enable the voice chat on Roblox games in your mobile phone. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.